Hey, Heath.
Hey, Kevin.
Finishing touches for you, huh?
Yeah, just wrapping up these island lights.
Oh, man. Speaking of island, look at this beauty, huh? Giant piece of soapstone.
It's amazing, yeah.
The hardest room to light, if I recall.
By far.
Right?
Let's turn these on and take a look and start from there.
Yeah, please. 3 pendants, glass shades, big round bulbs. Beautiful. Look at that.
We want to do at least 3 good-sized fixtures that we can make sure we cover this with a good amount of light.
And it's really the only light we've got in here, at least for task, because you couldn't do much with the ceiling.
Right, so the homeowners and all of us were opposed to really making holes in this and taking away from the beauty of this, so we wanted to find alternate solutions, and this is one of them.
Okay. So we're hanging these, and what'd you do? Just put in some big sturdy boxes to hold these behemoths?
So we just used a box that we got at our local home center. That's a fan-rated box that can carry a fair amount of weight if we decide to change the fixture. But a lot of planning had to go into it. Because of the center of the island isn't quite as easy as you would think. Because we have, an angle, something like this.
Oh, yeah.
We want to make sure that we account for the fact that the canopy sticks out in the angle and everything comes out. It really pushes the lights this way. So that box has to come further back than you think in order for this to land in the center.
Very good. Well, let's test it out. Do you think we got enough light for everything people have to do?
I think we do. So over the island, you can read that nice and bright.
How about over here?
You can slide it around.
Pretty good.
Good amount
Back
of light
over there. Not bad. I'm not sure who's happier that you bought the book, Marion or Russ. And adjacent to the kitchen, we've got the family living room area, so not as much need for task lighting, but still challenging.
It's still a challenge. So we want to light this room, but we have the same issue. We don't want to put recessed lighting in there that takes away from the beauty of the ceiling, but we want to show the beauty of the ceiling.
Absolutely.
So a lot of times we do that with uplighting of some kind, whether it's a sconce that washes up or floor lamps that shine up.
Gotcha.
But we don't have the space for that in this case other than the floor lamps. So what we've chosen to do is put LED lighting tape in the top of the beams.
Oh, very cool. All right. I remember you talking about that. Are they all in?
So we have 3 of these done. We have 1 more to go. So if you want to jump on that ladder and give me a hand, we'll finish this up.
Happy to do that. Oh, clever. Look at that.
All right, Kevin, so the first thing we're going to do is install this aluminum channel that we have here into this groove that was routed in the top of the beam. So what we want to do is lay the channels out and then go ahead and take a rubber mallet and just gently tap it into place to make sure it settles in between this groove. And once we do that, you can see the screws that are inside of this channel as well. Then we can screw it into place and make it secure. Now, once the channel's in, we're going to start installing the LED tape. In this case, our pieces come in 5-foot sections with an adhesive back. So we're going to peel the adhesive back off, lay the tape in the channel, and then when it gets to the 5-foot point, we're going to hold it up and add a second piece. How that works is it simply plugs together. So we're going to have one end and the other end plugged together and then continue on and lay that in the rest of the channel. Once that's complete and the LED tape's in, I'll go ahead and make the connection of the terminal blocks on one end. And when that's set, we're finally going to snap the covers in. If we have a diffuser cover that goes on the top of this channel, this helps soften that up and make it a nice, smooth, even light. All right, I think we're all set. You want to jump down and give it a shot?
I want to see what this looks like for sure. Okay, let's see how you did, Heath.
All right.
Energized, right? Oh yeah.
That looks great.
Doesn't it? Look at that.
Yeah.
Boy, what a terrific way to celebrate that ceiling.
It's just what we're hoping for. It really shows how beautiful that is.
So you think enough light from that just to kind of give you the nice necessary ambient lighting in here?
I do, especially at night. Just having a nice indirect soft light let you enough to see. You can get back and forth, not in your face. It's very comfortable. But we still have a lot more going on. We have some accent lights for certain parts of the wall, floor lamps, sconces, a few other hanging pendants. So I think it's be more than enough light when all's said and done.
Tough room. You're killing it.
Thanks. Yeah, we're really getting there.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.